somewhere in an hour, and it's an hour and a half drive. Those two don't work, but let's see what we can do. So we're here in Sturbridge, Massachusetts, back at Fine Woodworking Live 2018. We're back here for Fine Woodworking Live 2018. So I'm really excited. I've actually already gotten the booth set up, which is cool. And I'm gonna go inside, chat up with some people, maybe sell some plans of our classes if I'm lucky. And let's have some fun.
Welcome to Fine Woodworking Live 2018. We wanted to make it a memorable experience where we could teach, inspire, and connect with our audience. We also are going to do Shop Talk Live again, this time in a better spot, and we're ensuring that you guys can actually hear it this year.
The biggest thing I could say this is if you use yellow glue on complex carcass gloves, it's a total nightmare. And so you should switch to an epoxy for gloves, because then
listen, no propaganda. So there is no trick. But you put the clamp on the long.
Try it, go for it. What you do is cut an MDF piece that goes into what you're gluing up. And so this is huge. Like if you have a carcass that you're gluing up and you want it to go well, you do a dry clamp, get everything dialed in, and then diabolically cut a piece of MDF that fits into the interior of the carcass, and then cut the corners off of it so it doesn't get glued in place. So if you cut something that will fit in there, you know you can bring everything home.
And that's day one of Fine Woodworking Live. We got another full day and a half ahead of us. It was a really great first day. It's so much fun talking to people who come in the booth, because there's 250 plus like-minded woodworkers here who are interested in bettering their craft and doing that next complex project, that next project that pushes them a little bit further, that makes them get out of their comfort zone and reach out and grab it and take it, hold of it, and just do it. And that's what I'm enjoying. That's why I come here, to be able to talk to those people and hopefully, of course, have them sign up for the school, but nonetheless, that vibe, that energy. So big shout out to everybody at Fine Woodworking Magazine and the entire company to put this together. And I can't wait for the next 2 days of Fine Woodworking Live. But that's it for tonight. It's 12:56 in the morning, or the evening, however you want to look at it, and I'm tired. Gotta get to bed, gotta get ready to start this whole thing again first thing in the morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up with your badge, dude?
See, like, this is publishing, so the editor is more powerful than an associate editor or one of the other editors. It's the fewer titles, the more powerful the position. So I have the master pass because it has no title at all.
No star either.
No star. I'm better than the star.
Oh, okay.